Great, that's it. Good afternoon. March 24th. Again, Royal Hill, Slovakia. Arrived here yesterday. We have several tasks. Well, first, show our colleagues how to process solid waxes of the raw rubber class into gasoline and diesel fraction. This is the first issue. The second issue is, at the same facility that we've started here as a test stand, demonstrate the processing of oil sludge from the sludge storage facilities of Slovakia. So here are our oil sludges. They are, of course, a bit watered down. I think quite watered down. We took water samples from the sludge storage, and we will also subject them to analysis to understand their chemical composition and what chemical reagents and processes we need to turn it into technical water. Loading of oil sludge into the reactor is in progress. The net weight of the oil sludge load is 117 kilograms. All right, the process has started. We just need to wait a little bit. Since these are oil sludges, there's almost no gasoline fraction. The fuel oil and diesel parts are mainly used. So we have reached a mode of almost 400 degrees. In the chimney, we have 718, and the pressure in our system is normal. We've already reached a certain amount of diesel fraction above the mark. Well, here comes our gas. Of course, there is not as much gas as from plastics, but it also comes from petroleum products. So we are draining the diesel fuel, checking for flammability. Well, what? It burns magnificently. Here, Dmitry is typing now solid paraffins that were formed. I don't even know where they came from. We don't have paraffins like that. That's it. And our task now is to demonstrate how they rupture. We'll heat them up now, and we'll pump them into the reactor. But before that, of course, we'll fine-tune the temperature regimes to make sure everything works. Dmitry is insulating the paraffin supply line. Our paraffin is already slowly melting. Yes, for delivering the paraffins, we installed a Viskomat pump model 350M. Here we melted these paraffins because they are very, very hard. We will feed them right into the reactor over there, when hot. Nitrogen is being supplied. The lower valve is opening. And as soon as it opens, we will start the paraffin supply. Here we are finishing now, pumping in paraffin. The paraffin feed has started, and immediately, at a temperature of 570 degrees, a large excess gas. So we are already in Minsk. We have brought here samples of thermolysis liquid obtained from oil sludge in Slovakia, and we are starting their research. The first stage is to measure the density of the thermolysis liquid. (845 kilograms per cubic meter). The octane number by the research method is 104.6, and the average is 99.4. So, the thermolysis liquid obtained from oil sludge in Slovakia is being distilled. We have such a beautiful fluid. The distillation of thermolysis liquid is coming to an end. This is the beautiful result we get. Here's this option.